Hi, this is Raxel and welcome back to my channel, and this is the custom ROM flashing of the latest Bliss v16.9.1 raw file unofficial G apps version. And first you have to flash the Orange Fox unofficial R11.FBE version 1. You can get this recovery in the link will be in the description. Alright, now first we will flash this recovery. Swipe to install. Okay, it just rebooted into the recovery itself. Okay, now we will go to the Wi-Fi section, select Dalvik data, it's not internal storage, Dalvik data cache system vendor, Dalvik data cache system vendor. These 5 partition you need to select and then swipe to Wi-Fi. Alright, now let's go back to the files and then select the Android 11 firmware. This is the Android 11 firmware. Now here just add to queue and then select the Bliss ROM. Now swipe to install. Alright, patching system image unconditionally and patching vendor image unconditionally. We are almost there. Just a few more seconds left. Okay, installation complete. Now go back, and if your phone is encrypted, then go to Wi-Fi and select format, type YES and then swipe to format, then just reboot your device. That's it. But for the not encrypted user, you need to flash disable the verity. Swipe to install. And then just reboot your device. Okay, you can see the boot animation of the Bliss custom ROM and it looks beautiful. You can see the Hi there. Okay, let me quickly set up this, skip this part and just set up offline and see what we have here. I'm sorry, I don't want to sign off here anything. Can I just skip this? Alright, okay, here we are. You have this application here about Bliss Redmi K20 Pro, Adreno TM640, 6GB RAM. You have the Dolby Atmos, calculator, scanner, voice search. What is this? Phonograph plus. I'm sorry. Alright, I don't use this. Let's check out the camera here. This is Leica or Leica. I'm sorry. Okay, let's check it out. You can see here HDR Leica. You have 0. Wide angle lens, 0.6 times, 1 times, 2 times. You have video. You can record the video in, let's see the resolution here. Hey, what the fuck is wrong with, no, you need to swipe down. You can select the frame rate, 4K resolution, and 60 fps is there. You have 720 pixel, 1080 pixel, 4K resolution, right? And you have 30 fps and 60 fps recording option here. Portrait, you can see the photo click, right? The shutter speed is fast and smooth. You have night mode, and in more you have 48 megapixel vlog, time lapse, movie effects, sticker avatar, long exposure, AI watermark, pocket mirror, super moon. Let's try 48 megapixel. It's working fast and smooth, and the quality is good. Okay, now let's go to settings. Let's go to about phone. You can see here, and you get the Soviet star kernel update from October 8. SE Linux is enforcing that is good for your security, and the security patch is September 1st 2023. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video, and I hope you got the idea how to install this custom ROM. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.